Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at this class 306 EMU. In this video here it is being towed by an 06 shunter to platform 3 at the East Anglian Railway Museum where I volunteer. And I mean, I've seen this EMU for years floating about. It was on platform 2 at one point, but now it's being shunted to platform 3 from its usual set down siding area. Because, well, basically for a while it was sidingless, which is basically the railway equivalent of homeless, and the East Anglian Railway Museum took it in and gave it a place to stay, and now finally it is going to, I believe, Shildon, and that's going to be a cosmetic restoration. So as I say, it's a class 306 EMU and it is the last one. There are no other class 306 EMUs around anymore. This is the last survivor. Originally they were 92 built. That was in 1948, 1949, and that was to start replacing the steam services, primarily I think around Birmingham, I've read, but I'm sure they run from London Liverpool Street as well, through to Marks Tay and Colchester. And yeah, as I say, I mean, it arrived at the ERM in 2011 for storage. And yeah, as I say, the other two units on this 3-coach unit will have to wait until the funds are raised for its restoration. Some people estimate that it will cost £4 million to restore all 3 of these, but I think it's a bit much really, just for a cosmetic restoration. The thing is, there isn't really much in the way of people who know how to fix this anymore, because it's such a one-off. So, oh well, hopefully one day it will be seen on the main line again, but judging by the amount of time it took them to restore Flying Scotsman, it's going to be a while. So yes, I do hope you enjoy this video, and I'm going to start off by doing a general tour around this locomotive, and well, I do hope you enjoy it. Later on, you can skip ahead now, you'll see the time there for when it gets loaded up onto the lorry. Well, that will happen then, but yeah, for now you can have a look at what the interior's like and some of the structural damage that has been made over the years. Oh dear. It's a light collapse there, that's going to need to be ripped out obviously. Interesting machine. I'm going to have to do the limbo underneath this. More in the corner. There's an old bell over there as well. Something else. Heating indicator. A few bits for the old pantograph down there. These more fire extinguishers. Like the other one, they're still on the green. If the guys at the National Railway Museum would test these, I'd be very interested to see what happens. But that's probably not a lot. Here's another one of the units. This one is the one furthest from the shunter. Another little nugget of history. That £50, I'm pretty sure it's about, well, there's an extra 0 on the end of it now, I think, anyway. No, that door's jammed. I'm not going to force it open. Wow. I do hope they enjoy the restoration, as we're enjoying ours. The actual pantograph itself, the one that is still attached to the roof, it's in relatively good condition. Wow, from first glance anyway, it's not completely covered in rust. Oh gosh, they are going to have their work cut out for them. I mean, most of their electrical equipment is out of date, so I doubt that could even... Well, I very much doubt it could run on the main line ever again. Might be able to adapt some wire for it though. Or it will just be, well, like the Mark 1s and other carriages, it will just be something that's pulled along by steam or diesel. What an interesting piece of history. Ooh, fire extinguishers. Probably a little bit out of date. Although, gauge is still on the green. Massive spider there. Just gonna calmly step over here. Here is a 306 being shunted back into its siding in preparation for being taken to Shildon on the 3 low loaders. Here is the 306 waiting to be taken on a low loader a few days later. Here we see the first of the 3 low loaders going around these tiny country lanes and navigating its way into the yard. Let's just do one quick last look at this locomotive before it sets off on its journey. Here are the contractors setting up the, ramp to get the actual loco onto the back of the low loader. Right, so I believe the 06 shunter, or I think it might be an 04 shunter, has just started. So now is the big moment. Well, one of 3 big moments, because there's 2 other lorries which have got to come for the other 2. And we've got movement. tight fit.
Handbrake works. I won't get one free.
That will need to be uncoupled in a minute. Here we go. Let's hope it doesn't fall off.
All yours, mate. Yep, all yours, mate.
Still slightly on. Yeah.
Not much to go now.
Mate, if you don't want a bit more.
You're off the chips now, so you can carry on. Go to the point, so gives me room now.
Stand on up on here. While I'm doing that, if I zoom in over there, should be able to make out another lorry. I think that is the lorry for the other coach, or one of them anyway. So I don't have time to stay here for long because I've got to catch a train. But we can see that the second unit of the EMU is loaded up. It's the one with the guards compartment with the roof that's caving in. And it's the last one over there. Right, well I believe this wraps things up for this video. Unfortunately I can't see these two off the swell. But, well, I'm sure they're going to go to a very loving and caring home. And all that's left to say really is, well, I do hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you did, you can support my channel not by giving any money, but by simply subscribing to it, as this gives me some more motivation to make more videos. And yes, I'm out of breath because I had to run again, which I really shouldn't do. Anyway, until next time, goodbye.